Tulong na tayo. Kuya, tulong na, may pasok pa sa school bukas. Ah? Oh, pangbuntag ugma. Mga 2:30 mo ba? Palihog kung open sa kuan masuga ma. Maligo ko. Maligo ko mga 2:30 ba? Palihog kung open sa suga. Kasi makamatag 2:30 ba?
My name is Clark Edward.
You're wearing a tux again. What a shock.
Saving the world
Visit.
is a black tie affair.
Ayan. Tulong na tayo ba?
Tuxedo.
Ito ulam niyo bukas sa gulay. Lutuin ko.
You're still here, aren't you? I still feel you around. Make sure my baby has a good time. You like Jerry's guiding me. I wish I had someone dead telling me what to do.
Alalalalalalalala. Tara na, tulog na tayo, kuya. Maaga pa ako gigising bukas, papasok ako.
Hi, Carrie.
Hello.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Welcome to Hollywood, girl.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Carrie.
I can't believe it. 20 years ago, I was standing
American
on a stage
Idol na,
just
no?
like this one.
And now you're sitting here with us.
Hoy, tara na, tulog na tayo.
So, what do you say? Can we change some lives together?
Let's do this.
Direct yan yung mukha mo.
Right here.
Direct.
Tremendous.
Amazing.
Sometimes we don't have to look.